Hey, what's up, guys? Ivan here from getivan.com, and I'd like to welcome you to my video on my creative blog writing template. So, before you watch this one, you should have watched the, let's see here, formulaic money article writing template video, and also creative content curation template video. Those two precede this one. So the difference here, it looks very much like the formulaic writing template. That may change in the future, but it's not the same strategy. So make sure you read these comments. Um, in particular, you're going to want to read this. As I said here, the content for creatives does not have to be structured. The idea here is to basically rant. So just share your thoughts, Writing as though you were talking out loud is a good strategy. Really talk about the details and share your unique voice. I go on to say the key to creative writing has to do with the subject matter. Most of the time, these will be long tail keywords, not simply terms with 2 or 3 words, but phrases made up of 6 to 10 words, which often form questions. So this is going to depend on your keywords. Also, these are not the kinds of things where you're going to be focusing on such and such services or the best such and such product online or whatever. Nothing generic. These are going to be things like, how to change a snow tire in the winter kind of thing. Really long, specific questions. And you can include multiple htags for different sub keywords that you might feel are associated with a long tail search. But a lot of the times, and this is a lot of what I do on my blog so far, I just started my personal blog, well, not personal, but I just started blogging on my business site not too long ago again, and on getivan.com. I still have a long way to go there, but I'm trying to go slower because I want to get the back-end infrastructure set up properly so that I have the proper places to forward people for call to action, because you don't want to make 50 blog posts or 100 blog posts and then have to go back and change where everything redirects and call to action and all that stuff. It's just messy that way. So that is something worth mentioning. Before you do a ton of blogging, you want to make sure that your call to action, the conversion elements that you're setting up are solid, that you're not going to bounce back and forth between different things. If you are going to change, you want to make sure that the places you're sending people are maybe the same page, that you can just change that one page, and then you'll be okay. You can also get you can do link cloaking too, internal link cloaking, so that if you need to change where things go, you can always change the destination of a link rather than having to go through a bunch of pages and change the link. So anyways, that's something I'm trying to figure out, and not figure out, but something I'm trying to get established in the back end of my own infrastructure, because I'm constantly trying to optimize how I do my business, Anyways, so a lot of the blogging I've been doing has been more blog writing style, right? And just really picking a long tail kind of question, and then just writing my thoughts and laying down a few paragraphs and a video, and that's it. And a call to action video, a few paragraphs, a call to action. I don't really mess with images on this asset unless I feel that there's a purpose to it, purpose for it. But that's one way to go about it. You could do structured questions and then just kind of, go forward with your thoughts in that structure. but I still feel that it's mostly about kind of just speaking your mind on paper, you know. So all this here is just to represent sentences you might write. But in reality, I think the best way to go about it is to just pick a solid H1, a solid title, and to just start writing, you know. If you only have 150 words, that's okay. The point of it is to do a lot, you know, to just really whip out a lot of content, and it works. It's very, very, very effective. You should check out places like Quora, where people ask long tail questions all the time. And it's a really great place to practice your creative writing and to even link to creative writing articles in your from your site. So that's pretty much it. I appreciate your time, and I'll catch you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.